Dear students, can and be able to are used for the ability and sometimes are used for the permission, but they are interchangeable. But in some cases, they cannot be interchanged because they show their particular ability or manage to do something or succeeding to do something. So let's have a clear perception. First of all, we use can or be able to, could or be able to, or will be able to for the ability of permission. In present, we use can and be is replaced with is, am, or are. Be able to means is able to, or am able to, or are able to. In the past, we use could or was or were able to, and in future we use shall, will, or shall able to. As I already have said that they are interchangeable or replaceable with one another, we use it for ability. For example, she can knit and she is able to knit. Both in both cases, in both sentences, both can and be able to are correct. He could work on a computer and he was able to work on a computer. Both cases, they are replaceable and interchangeable with one another. But in some cases, when we want to use these words for our ability to manage something or ability to succeeding to do something, we do not use can or could, rather be able to would be more appropriate. In these examples that you have just read, can is more appropriate, could is more appropriate, is able to or was able to is less natural or more formal, and we usually do not use it. So we use be able to for the things that are managed or you succeeded to manage or succeeded to do something. The word managed itself is appropriate or common in some cases, is more formal. I was able to get some really good bargains in the sale. It is good or correct sentence. It would be very less natural to say I could get some really good bargains in the sale. So the second sentence is incorrect according to its structure. After climbing for hours, we managed to get to the top. And now, as I already have said, that it is good to replace both could or be able to with managed or succeeded to do something. So here, managed to get to the top is very excellent sentence. After climbing for hours, we were able to get to the top. It is also correct. You can use were able to, but you cannot use could here. So the second last example, after climbing for hours, we could get to the top is semantically incorrect. So it is not good, structurally incorrect. But in the negative structure, if you use it for the negative, it is good. For example, the last example, we have given a negative impression rather than a positive one. So using could not is good. After climbing for hours, we could not get to the top. Hopefully, you have got a good idea about using is, am, are able to, was, were able to, can or could, or will or shall be able to. And here's an exercise for you to do. Put either of the modal verbs accordingly, check whether it is a positive sentence or a negative sentence, and if you could turn it into negative or change it into positive, can you use a particular modal in particular case, in the present or in the past or in the future, whether it is your management or ability or permission, whatever it is. If you face any difficulty, you can write to me or ask me in the comment as well. Thank you very much.